Welcome to 61241 Southeast Benham Road, located in Bend, Oregon. This home sits on a 20,037 square foot lot. Tons of room for RV parking, additional structures if you'd like, and there's a fenced yard. The landscaping is clean and kind of an empty slate. Everything's been mowed down, raked up, and can be made your own. There's already really nice trees, mature trees. Good gravel parking area. Privacy is excellent here. Just a great parcel, beautiful location, private setting off the road, and I'll show you the inside of the yard, the inside of the home, and the garage too. Moving from the foyer into the great room area. Living room is very spacious. Big windows out into the front yard that's fully fenced. Laminate flooring throughout. Butcher block counters, all the appliances are included. The island has a nice breakfast bar area. Garden window looking out onto the back deck. The sunroom. I don't believe this is counted in the total footage shown on county records. We'll verify that with the Zillow 3D tour is going to show the floor plan and footage, so we'll be able to verify that with the tool that will illustrate each of the room dimensions and everything. Can see there's a heat source out here. The home does have a central gas furnace and AC. Primary bedroom with direct access to the backyard. Fits a king-size bed really comfortably between the outlets. Primary bath with custom vanity, tile floors, and a big jetted soaker tub. This home has 2 gas water heaters to deal with this giant tub. So you have fast recovery on hot water and a lot of it. The walk-in closet. Lots of storage in here. Separate cadet heater as well, so you can keep this space toasty. It does have the ventilation from the central gas furnace and AC, so there is central heating in that space. Thermostat there. The second bedroom, good sized, easily fits a queen bed, has a nice big closet, private view out. The home does have a central vac system too. Hall closet for linens. And the guest bathroom, tile floor, custom vanity, One of the heat registers for the central system has its own heater too. The tiled shower in the guest bath in beautiful condition. Very spacious. Well done. Good size utility room too, with sink and ample storage. Home does come equipped with a washer and dryer. Insulated garage, 16-foot door. Lots of space in here on both sides. There's the central vac system, the sprinkler controllers, the gas furnace. AC is connected to that. 2 gas water heaters. The door out to the front yard on the left, and the door to the side enclosure area for garbage and other things. Another coat closet as you come in. Storage is excellent throughout, but just a great layout, big living area, a separate sunroom that could be used as an office. So you do have a third space. Really in perfect condition, ready to roll.